Hey YouTubers, it's Tony with Mayberry Mini Truck. Today is May 12th, 2023, and we have a Suzuki mini truck that we're going to video. It is a 5-speed mini truck. The stock number is S6497, and it's a 4-wheel drive, 5-speed with extra low first gear. It has 32,797 miles on it, and it's $6,200. So let's check this truck out. First, let me go ahead and put this inside. It's a little windy today. Um, so the truck is in really clean shape on the front. It doesn't have any dings at all, but this corner does have a small ding in it, and that's a scratch. The actual bumper is in good shape. There is a scrape here. It didn't break the paint, but it is a very slight impression, and this is a scratch. Another scratch there, and a slight ding there. So you can see it's not tremendous body damage, but you need to know about it. The roof looks good. Coming down the side, we do have a scratch there. Very slight ding right there. Just little things. Down the bedside, we have um, right here a dent and a scrape. Under here, we have seam rust right there, some seam rust there, and seam rust there. Seam rust there. So that'll give you an idea of what it's like under here. Okay. The tailgate does have a ding, another ding, just little stuff. The pins, one of the pins came disconnected. That's the loop. What happens is it sits for a long time, and then they articulate it, and it breaks off because they don't get used. But let's go ahead and see. So it does work fine, and the locking hinge is there to keep it from sliding off. If you want to remove this tailgate, you pull that bolt out, you unscrew it, and then it will allow the whole tailgate to be removed. The actual bed itself is in good condition. It's dirty, but in good shape. I know it's very windy. This also has rail caps. Somebody, not rail caps, a rail extender somebody put on. I want to get under here because it did have seam rust on the other side, and I want to try to do a little bit better job showing you underneath. So you can see a little bit more detail. Okay, this bedside panel looks good. It does look good. It's just got, that's a scratch, little, very slight surface rust there. Nothing major. Okay, now there's the roof on this side. And coming down this side, this is all in really good shape. Down here, you have a dent. And here you have a scratch and a dent there. You do have a little rust right there. You got a little rust right there. There's the inside of the door. You also have a little rust right there, right there, right there. Let's look under the floor mat. Nothing under there. It's a leaf. That's just surface rust there, where somebody's heel was. The seats are in very nice condition. The door panel on this side looks very good, as does the door. Let's take it for a drive. All right. So we are in two-wheel drive. We're going to let this person go first. This truck has got to have power steering. It is just way too easy. This has got to have power steering. I mean, there's just something about that. Let me check. You don't really see Suzuki's with power steering though. You know? It's gotta have it. It's just way too easy to not have power steering. Huh. Looks really good in there. But strange how easy it is to steer this thing. Okay. Isn't that funny? I mean, it's extraordinarily smooth on the steering. So I'm going to put it in fifth gear, just because we're going down a pretty good hill, a decline, and it's just less work. Less work for the truck. The gravity kind of does the trick. I've got the windows open. I usually close the windows for this drive so it's quieter. Drives nicely. Now let's do our little U-turn. All right, going back up the hill now. Going into fourth gear. I try to get the speedometer, that's fifth gear. I try to get the speedometer and the road at the same time. So now we're cruising up this hill. Really getting on it well. And what I'm going to do is slow down. So I'm going almost 80 kilometers per hour up that hill, which is really, really fast. So now I'm going 30 kilometers per hour, still in fifth gear. And this is the real arduous test. Will it increase in speed in fifth gear up a steep hill? And the answer is yes. So that is a very good indicator of good compression. And so, in my opinion, that's the most important thing of the whole test drive is the fact that it accelerates up the hill in fifth gear, starting at 30 kilometers per hour, which is, excuse me, which is about 20 miles per hour. Yeah, about 20 miles per hour. And so that's a really good indication of tight compression and engine power. So this truck runs wonderfully. It's a very good basic work truck, 5-speed, which is nice. And I mean, it had its areas of seam rust, a little spot here, a little spot there. I pointed out everything that I saw. Um, and I didn't look under this floor mat. Let's look under here. Yeah, looks good under there. Actually, let me pull that tape up and see what's under there. Okay, so it does have a rust hole right there. So, um, so it does have a rust hole right there. So that's some pretty significant rust right there. And um, you just need to know that at some point somebody had this, um, probably had dirt packed up under there. The vehicle itself inside is clean under there, so the rust doesn't go beyond that. But my goal is to disclose everything I can that I'm aware of and um, let the truck be what it is so that you can see. So this does have some rust, and I didn't know about that. So um, I, I feel like, well, I'm a little surprised. Actually, I didn't know about that. And so this truck is now $6,000 instead of 62, and because it's a little less than I would have liked to be the case, but um, to me, the truck is worth 6,000 instead of 6,200 because of that. So um, change of information. It's $6,000. Um, and you know, that's just how it goes. Some trucks are beautiful and you know are we every once in a while we'll get a unicorn of a truck, but this is a truck that runs extremely well, but it's got a few rust um, issues that I have pointed out. Um, and transparency is so important to me, um, for better or for worse. And this one had a few places, um, and uh, if that's the kind of truck you're looking for, it's got its bumps and bruises for $6,000. Then let us know, and if you're not interested, then the truck will be for sale, and it'll be $6,000. And if you have any questions, you can call us at 336-777-9957. You can also email us at sales@mayberryminitrucks.com. And you can also check out our website at mayberryminitrucks.com. We did service this truck with full synthetic oil. We changed the air filter, the oil filter. We checked the fluids in the rear differential, front differential, transmission. No transfer case on this truck. We checked the antifreeze and the brake fluid. Um, and if anything was wrong if it didn't have power, we would fix it. If the heat didn't work, we fixed that. And if the four-wheel drive didn't work, we fixed that. And so it's a good running truck. And it's just got a few rust blemishing issues here and there. And but it's a nice truck, a good running truck for work. So let's see. We got the law passed making mini trucks street legal in North Carolina, and Governor Cooper signed our bill into law. We will give you a clear North Carolina title in case you would like to transfer it and put a plate on it. Not all states tag mini trucks. Most states do, and some states won't. Um, and but give us a call if you have any questions about that. Is there anything else? We do deliver our trucks. If you want to have it delivered, it's $2 per mile one way. So if you're 150 miles away, the delivery fee would be $300. And I appreciate you watching our video. Thank you.